फ्रेंड्स, नीचे लाल कलर का बटन है, वो जरा दबाकर स्पार्की गेमिंग को सब्सक्राइब कर दो।
have proved themselves.
माइनस में एक टीम तो चली, अरे हो जाएगा ब्रो, गॉडलाइक भी कर ली।
Of that top spot as well. From
बस
that
वो है कि ओजी लास्ट टाइम आई थी,
people
एक्सपीरियंस
still
लिया,
sometimes
कैसे
had
क्या
questions.
करना है
Not
क्या
me,
नहीं,
never
ग्राइंड
me,
किया
but some people
and result
certainly
दिया।
questioned, are they a mainstay
समझ रहे हो?
team? Can they keep it going? The
Main वो है
answer
कि
in this group, a
अपनी गलतियों से
resounding
सीखे,
yes
एक्सेप्ट
against
किया
some of
कि हाँ
the
भाई हम
strongest
गंदा
teams
खेले,
in the world.
ग्राइंड किया
They've had
एंड
such
वापस से आए
resilience.
एंड मचा दिया भाई,
It's beautiful
नो डाउट
individual
मचा दिया
skill
भाई,
as
ओजी
well.
ने
The plays
मचाया।
we've seen from the entire to see more from them.
आप आज भी खुश
It's
है
unfortunate we'll have to
ये,
say goodbye to some
but
of
वो है
that
कि
teams,
भाई
John.
फर्स्ट रह
The
गया
ones
अपना।
who go on to survival stage, they've earned that spot. Absolutely.
This is the first time in a long time that we're going to have an India team at a global final.
So I want to take you guys back to the PMWL 2020 Eastern Region. Orange Rock, TSM entity, they made it to the finals and actually did really good back in that event. But now, it has been 5 years, 11 months and 29 days, and that streak has now ended as Orangutan make it to your PMWC 2026 Grand Finals.
And a great performance from that squad, if we're being completely honest. The way that they were able to perform yesterday was impressive in the way that they started off so slow and they were able to become aggressive. This is what we've been wanting to see out of the Indian teams, to match the aggressiveness that the global lobby is currently showcasing. They were able to do that and they were consistent as well today. WizKid was able to actually get a lot of placement points for that squad in 2 matches.
He really was. It was so exciting to see. And you know what's even crazier, is that Orangutan, out of the 2 Indian teams that we have here, we have Godlike coming up in Group B. Orangutan is the more passive of the 2. Now let's just take a moment and let that sink in. Orangutan are the most passive of the 2 Indian teams here. They're in 2nd place. They've been going all over the place. They've been controlling the lobby. What is it going to happen with Group B? I'm scared for everybody else now.
I mean, I was scared after they got their first chicken dinner on game 6 of day 1. I was like, okay, we need to see a continuation. I was not expecting a back-to-back win. Okay, that was definitely pushing it to the absolute limit. So they're confident. I hope they can bring that confidence into the next stage, which is going to be the grand finals. Very exciting. So Aru and the boys keep it going.
Yeah, they're definitely going to keep
Going back to the game, from what you guys have seen so far out of day 1 and day 2 here, has there been anything that ended up surprising the squad?
OG has definitely been a surprise for us. Like, they're playing really good. Their decisions, I haven't really looked at them that much, but their decisions are really good.
Yeah, their decisions have definitely been good. And for everybody currently watching,
आपको एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं इंस्टा पे, सारे इन चारों प्लेयर्स के डीएम्स में जाके प्यार देना, हार्ट्स डालना और लिखना कि वी आर प्राउड। आप लोगों की वजह से आज पूरा इंडिया प्राउड फील कर रहा है। हार्ट्स देना, पप्पियां देना, जो आपको मैसेज लिखना, जो आपकी फीलिंग्स है शेयर करना, प्लेयर्स को प्यार देना एंड रेस्पेक्ट करो चारों प्लेयर्स की। आज जिस स्टेज पे अपन प्राउडली बोल सकते हैं कि हम ग्रैंड फाइनल्स पहुंच गए #2 आके, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनकी वजह से। आज जो हम सब एक साथ इतना सपोर्ट, इतने खुश है, इतने प्यार दे रहे हैं, इतना अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दीस 4 प्लेयर्स। दे डिजर्व एवरीथिंग। प्यार देना भाइयों, वी आर प्राउड, सुपर प्राउड।
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the man that was able to have one of the best games in global, none other than Aru from OG. Tomorrow, are you gonna keep up that aggression?
Yeah, we'll try our best.
Oh, top 5?
Maybe. One game at a time, we'll just go.
I think if you guys do what you guys did in the last game, it will be a top 5.
Thank you.
Best of luck.
OG! Because this team, I mean, what a turnaround. I gotta give them props. I was giving them a lot of not nice stuff earlier on, saying that this team was not being aggressive. But in that last one, Lace, they were definitely aggressive and they got the chicken dinner.
We're one of the latest teams coming to Miramar, actually. So is that part of the strategy for you guys when it comes to endings, as well as what were your concerns towards the late game of that game?
Not really a strategy, because we intend to play dynamic as per the situations, and particularly talking about that game, it took us quite a while to collect our vehicles, so it got us a little late. So that was the first factor, and the second factor was that team landing in Power Grid, I guess it's GSTR. So they were trying to maybe set up a trap around San Martin. So then we had to take a detour from our original planned path. So, but yeah, we have prepared ourselves to play early and late as well. So it just worked out for us. The first factor that led us to, playing a little passive or holding back was that we got an early casualty of my teammate Atanki. And the second one was our vehicles didn't have a lot of fuel, so it was hard to drive around and take info of our surrounding teams to actually see what's going on, if there are any third-party opportunities. And also, yeah, we had a good position, but the thing was that it was on the back we had high ground, and on the front we had a complete low ground. So if we have gone like either of the ways, the other side teams would have definitely shot at us. So it would have been difficult to come back to our initial position. So I was also like not too satisfied with that game because having Rondo and only 2 elimination was just like not how we play, and not everyone plays, because Rondo gives you a lot of opportunities to take fights, maybe take free elimination of the teams, especially when you are at a good position. So yeah, it was also like a little dissatisfied for me. But yeah, it was a good start. So we didn't have to get into the second game with high pressure on us.
Fair. And overall, yesterday, how does the team look at it? Do they see it as a success here so far? And are there any adaptations coming in today too?
Not really success, but the last match really helped us to start our day 2 with a good pace. So it's not like we are very far behind from top 5. So coming to day 2, we are just going to plan going game by game. We are just not really focused on the position we are at on the points table. We are just going to focus on our games and things that we can do better, and trying to not repeat the mistake that we have done in the past.
Arup, thank you very much. Amazing interview. Good luck for day 2.
स्वागत है आप सभी का। मेरा नाम है स्पीरो। मैं अभी इस समय हूँ आतंकी बाजी के साथ, जो कि ओरांगुटान के प्लेयर हैं। आतंकी, वी नो यू आर अ वेटरन, बहुत लंबे समय से आप खेल रहे हैं और हर मैच की अहमियत बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस रखती है यहाँ पे इस तरह के परिवेश में। आई वुड लव टू नो कि कल मीटिंग के बाद क्या बातें हुई और आज के लिए क्या प्लानिंग है?
मीटिंग के बाद मतलब ऐसा कुछ ज्यादा चेंज नहीं हमने किया, वही की जैसे कल खेले, मोमेंटम थोड़ा पकड़ लिया था लास्ट मैच में, तो उसी को कैरी फॉरवर्ड करने की सोच रहे हैं। ट्राई करेंगे कि अगर खराब भी मैचेस जाएं तो ज्यादा उसका स्ट्रेस ना लें और अगले मैच पे ज्यादा फोकस करें, तो वही अभी के लिए बोले।
अभी सेट के हर मैच इंपॉर्टेंस रखता है काफी ज्यादा यहाँ पे। रोंडो कल आपका इतना कुछ खास गया नहीं था, आज के लिए क्या प्लान है?
आई थिंक कल रोंडो में अनफॉर्चुनेट कैजुअलिटी हो गई थी मेरी, उस वजह से हम खुल के नहीं खेल पाए, तो और एक कंपाउंड में स्टक होकर खेलना पड़ा था हमारे को। लेकिन आज ट्राई करेंगे कि कोई कैजुअलिटी ना हो और खुल के खेल पाए। रोंडो में हम मतलब ऐसा कि बहुत ज्यादा फ्रेश एक सिचुएशन बना पाते हैं अपने अराउंड, तो आई थिंक वो चीज को हम ट्राई करेंगे इस बार करें आज, और जितने हो सके मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स निकाल सकें, क्योंकि वही एक मैप है जिसमें डबल रिकॉल स्टार्टिंग में फिनिशेस ट्राई करेंगे लेने के, और बाद में वापस से ट्राई करेंगे प्लेसमेंट पॉइंट्स चलने।
आतंकी बाजी कल इरंगल के मैचेस बिल्कुल भी अच्छे नहीं गए, आज क्या बदला है इरंगल की स्ट्रैटेजी?
आई थिंक इरंगल में हमारी थोड़ी फोर्स फाइट हो जा रही थी और कैजुअलिटी जिसकी वजह से हो रही थी, इस वजह से आई थिंक लास्ट सर्कल्स देख नहीं पा रहे थे हम। वही हम ट्राई करेंगे, अभी स्टडी किया थोड़ा और देखा है बाकी टीम्स के रोटेशन पाथ्स और वो सब चीजें भी, तो आई थिंक अभी ट्राई करेंगे कि ना क्लैश हो उनसे और हम सेफली अपना सिक्योर करें, और मतलब अनवांटेड फाइट्स बेसिकली।
To be honest, कल के लास्ट चिकन के बाद we all felt proud. How's the जोश यार in the team? Come on.
जोश इज ऑलवेज हाई। इधर आने से पहले ही आया था और अभी भी हाई ही रहेगा, बिकॉज जोश हाई रहना बहुत जरूरी है। अभी पिछली बार ऐसा हुआ था कि हम थोड़ा लो स्पिरिट हो गए थे जब स्टार्टिंग में अच्छे मैचेस नहीं गए, लेकिन इस बार वैसा कुछ मतलब किसी के भी फेस पे वैसा दिख नहीं रहा, तो आई थिंक वो एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज है हमारे में, उस वजह से आई थिंक थोड़ा बेटर कर पा रहे हैं।
I think हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा पिछले कुछ समय से। एक बार बताओ उधर मुझको, एक बार उधर। Let's go. Thank you so much. That was Atanki. This is Spiro. Thank you so much.
इसने मुझे ब्लैक में टिकट बेची, अभी पैसे भी ले लिए, टिकट भी वापस मांग
फेल हो गया ब्रो,
रिकॉर्ड पहले कर दिया
नहीं आप हंस
नेचुरल एक्टर भी
ब्रो, सिस्टम हो गया।
पहले ऐसे बैठ जाती है, फिर
पता है आप लोग अच्छा करोगे, आराम से खेलना, चिल्लो के खेलना। हम लोग पहले देखो साथ में भी गए हैं, बिल्कुल 0% डाउट है, दुनिया करे डाउट जो मर्जी, लेकिन मेरे को पता है आप लोग अच्छा करने वाले हो।
जाओ खेलो, मस्त गेम खेलो, एंजॉय योरसेल्फ, प्रेशर मत लेना एंड जस्ट गिव इट ऑल।
कैसे भी मैचेस जाएं, मैचेस हमेशा अच्छे नहीं जाते, तो एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा रखो। मैनेजमेंट से भी यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा मैं।
Good morning, worlds. Welcome to the 7WG, giving it to you raw. It's a new name. I'm working on it. But this message right now says OG just got lucky in the last game. They are too passive. Don't get me wrong. OG was definitely passive. I called that out in the Rondo with the second place finish. Only 2 eliminations. That wasn't going to cut it. But in the last game, I'm talking about specifically the last game of day 1 PNWCI EWC 26, when they knocked Rauf from Nick Galaxy. The team just turned on a switch and they actually full pushed the squad. That wasn't luck. That was a great call from the IGL or from the team or whoever made that call to be aggressive, get rid of Enigma Galaxy, allow them to have a great position, and just end up winning. If this squad wants to make it to finals, directly to finals from groups, they need to continue to be aggressive. This lobby rewards teams that are aggressive. That's why Fourth Drives does good.
Hello everyone, मेरा नाम है स्पीरो, मैं हूँ यहाँ पे पेरिस में EWC अरीना के अंदर, and I have with me orangutans on Yash Bhanushali. Yash, how are you doing?
I'm good, Spiro. How are you guys?
I'm doing well. Of course, we are in Paris, तो थोड़ा सा मजे तो करने बनते ही हैं. But Yash, how do you feel like EWC happening in Paris?
Yeah, I think it's a great move due to the political situation around the world. I think Paris was the next destination they chose, and the production's really good. The city is really nice. The weather's great, and ready to see some action. Ready to see boys play really well and represent a great country.
But अभी भी जो Indian scene की success है वो international stage पे नहीं दिख रही. What do you think we lack still?
No, I think we just lack coming here more often and playing international lobbies on a regular basis. I don't think there's a lot of gap in terms of skill. I think experience is what we really lack, and this time I don't think there are any excuses of not doing well. We need to self-reflect, either us or Godlike, however we play. If we do well, it's great. If we don't do well, we need to self-reflect and make sure that whichever teams come next time, they are much more prepared. And yeah, I think the Indian lobby is doing really well. And yeah, hopefully this time there'll be someone going to the finals, either us or Godlike or both of them, hopefully. But yeah, it will be a good EWC for sure.
Well, the game is getting bigger, esports is getting bigger. What do you think about all these games that are happening here at EWC?
Yeah, I think it's absolutely amazing. Over 24 titles being contested, so many partner teams also doing really well. Really, fingers crossed for SATL and Godlike kind of do something and make sure they climb up the club championship leaderboards. So yeah, wishing all of them luck, saying hi and thank you to everyone who is watching from India. And keep supporting the boys regardless of the games, regardless of anything. Let's just play fair and give it all.
Right, thank you so much, Yash, हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए. It was lovely to have you here.
Thank you so much, guys. See you and all the best.
Everyone, हम हैं यहाँ पे पेरिस के अंदर EWC अरीना में. मेरा नाम है स्पीरो और मेरे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं स्काउट ऑफ स्काउट. How's it going in Paris?
It's pretty good. मजा आ रहा है काफी. मैं दूसरी बार आ रहा तो yes, fun है.
इंटरनेशनल सीन में आपने बहुत बार इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया है. अभी OG कर दी है, Godlike थोड़े दिन में करेगी. Do you want to say anything to them?
Give your best, man. We are there for you guys. No matter what's the result, all that matters is giving your best and coming back with no regrets.
Well, we talk about international, but EWC ने scale up बहुत ज़्यादा करा है. Multiple titles are here in this arena. Do you want to say anything about EWC?
I think this is one of the biggest esports tournaments out there. So yeah, it's super fun to see so many games making it here and seeing so many players out there who are playing esports at a high scale.
Absolutely. Orangutan अभी खेल रही है. Not a great start, Scout. What do you want to say about that?
I hope they buckle up and fix the problems that they're facing right now. The first game was super strong. So 12 games है. I still believe that they can make it.
चलिए, believe होना चाहिए. Scout, anything you want to say to the fans?
Keep loving, keep supporting our Indian teams. I know we didn't do so much great in the recent years, but we will be there for sure.
We will be there for sure. Thank you so much, Scout.
We're very fortunate to experience this twice for the second time in the last 7-8 months. And I think kudos to the boys for being so consistent throughout the year. And I think they're just so hungry to, you know, work on whatever went wrong in PMGC and improve all of it at EWC. So very, very happy and grateful for the opportunity. And we're not treating it just as an opportunity because बहुत कम आती है ऐसी opportunities. So trying to make the most of it in the coming few days.
What do you think about the start we got?
I think the boys have been practicing a lot for the last whole month, or getting used to the device and the game and everything. So I think yeah, it's been a good start. But fingers crossed. I think goal is to play consistently, remain top 5, and yeah, qualify for the finals in the next 2 days itself, so that we get a lot of time to keep practicing and focus on the finals instead.
As a owner, कौन सी rank आप अभी देख रहे हो team के लिए?
I mean, top 5, I think anything 5th. I wouldn't want to be on the edge, but if podium finish kar le, to I think it'll be a good morale boost and it will really, be good for the team because they are then kind of secured for the finals. So I think today is very important so that tomorrow they can play their free game, not under pressure. So we are just hoping they get the most points today. And I think the start's been good. So we just need to be consistent.
फ्रेंड्स, आप भी जोनाथन भाई के फैन हो तो स्पार्की गेमिंग को सब्सक्राइब कर दो.